all studying well. Okay. After the last class, today we'll see about refrigeration techniques and its types. First, we'll see about what is refrigeration and another types about a refrigeration types in general. This refrigeration deals with the cooling of bodies. Generally, whatever we are keeping in a refrigerator, it will cooling the bodies and it will absorb the heat from the bodies, whether it may be a solid or liquid or fluid bodies. It gets the temperature from that bodies to the surroundings. Generally, it involves absorption of heat from the bodies and reject the temperatures to the surroundings. Okay, but in the older days, the main purpose of the refrigeration was used to produce ices, which is used to preserve beverages and foods and some of the refrigerated transportations. Okay, nowadays these refrigerations and even air conditioning machines that has many applications that are used in many essential purpose for our normal human lives. Without refrigeration and air conditions, we can't survive nowadays. Okay, based on this, in our society, this has a adverse effect. Maximum effects are there about your refrigeration and your air conditions. Now, now we'll see about the applications of refrigeration. That refrigeration where it is being used, based on that it can be classified. First one is domestic refrigeration that can be used in our households. வீட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ற அந்த refrigeration, it comes under domestic refrigeration. And commercial refrigeration that all we can see in supermarkets and some other places. And industrial refrigeration, that big industry, they can be used to preserve the food beverages inside the large size scales of food material that can be used over here. And last one is marine and transportation of refrigeration that we can frequently seen in roadside transportations. This is type of refrigeration. First one is domestic refrigeration. Domestic refrigeration, it has a limited in scope first, but in refrigeration industry, it has a significant role and even a maximum usage of refrigeration comes under this domestic refrigeration. அப்படின்ன பெரிய uses அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the number of unit in service is quite large, and it's mainly concerned with your household refrigeration and even home freezers. Okay, these are all the household beverages that will keep it over here. Even sometime it has been used as a home freezers. And number two, this is about commercial refrigeration. This refrigerator fixes of types used for retail stores. In the supermarket அங்கெல்லாம் இந்த மாதிரி type of refrigerators நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். ஓகேங்களா, the food particles like food particles இல்ல food beverages, see இந்த milk products எல்லாம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க, cool drinks, milk products, இது எல்லாமே சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்ல பிளேஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. This type of refrigerators are even a commercial refrigerator. Even some cool drinks எல்லாம் ஷாப்ஸ்ல பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. ஓகேங்களா, cool drinks and cheeses, butter, இதெல்லாம் பிளேஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்பாங்க பாருங்க. ஈவன் மில்க் பேக்கெட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கிறது எல்லாமே கமர்ஷியல். திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் refrigerators are commercial type refrigerators. They can be used by the retail stores and restaurants and even hotels and institutions for storing and displaying and process of materials and dispensing of perishable commodities of all types that can be used in commercial refrigerators. Next, this is about an industrial type of refrigerator. The general rules industrial applications are larger in size. This is larger in size than a commercial type of application. It has a distinguished feature of a required attendant on duty. Usually a licensed operating engineers are required to operate this type of refrigerators. இதனோட யூசஸ்லாம் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this type of industrial applications are used in ice plants. Large type of ice cubes, ice plants produce பண்றதுக்கு, at the same time large food packing plants, and even meat, fish, poultry, and even frozen food products, and even brews, ceramics, and industrial plants, and even oil refineries, and even chemical plants, rubber plants. In the எல்லா plants this type of industrial refrigerator can be used. Okay. And the final one is marine and transport type of refrigeration. Okay, this comes under a partial commercial refrigeration. Okay, commercial type of refrigeration, but it can be, it's like a portable. Even we used to see this type of vehicles which carries milk vendors la use pandranga. This comes under the industrial type of refrigerator. Even fishing boats, they can keep the fish. Okay, fishing boats they can keep the fish inside the refrigerator to keep it fresh. And even a vessel transporting perishable cargo, in the big size cargos transportation ship transport பண்றாங்க இல்லையா, that type of refrigerators are comes under this marine and transport refrigerator. In addition, இது மட்டும் இல்லாம there are some miscellaneous applications, and even separation of gases, condensation of gases, dehumidification of air, solidification of solute, and in process cooling, removal of heat of reactions, recovery of salts, control of fermentation, cooling of preservation, and preservation of dairy products. இது மட்டும் இல்லாம meat and poultry products, beverages, juice concentration, candy manufacturers, food stores and distribution, cold treatment of metals, medical applications, ice skating rings, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க ice skating rings and even construction work, ice manufacturing. இதெல்லாம் some other miscellaneous product. ஓகேங்களா, இதுல எல்லாமே எழுதணும்னு இல்ல, some உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு 10 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் கவர் பண்ணா போதும். கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எப்படி கேட்பாங்க அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, explain refrigeration technique and give its types and uses of its in laboratories அப்படின்ற மாதிரி கேட்பாங்க. ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸும் சம்டைம்ஸ் ஃப்ரீக்வெண்டா கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நான் எடுக்கிறது எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீக்வெண்டா யூனிவர்சிட்டியில கேட்கிற கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான், எதையும் மிஸ் பண்ணாம படிச்சுக்கோங்க. Any doubts, you contact me. Thank you.